Due to their strength and versatility, concrete and steel are today's primary choice in terms of building materials. Concrete is strong, but over time and through exposure to the elements or structural damage, it can be susceptible to deterioration. This in turn can cause weakness in the efficacy of waterproofing, which can subsequently cause even more structural damage. Traditionally, rectifying waterproofing problems has been extremely time-consuming and costly. But now there are better and more efficient ways of waterproofing established structures. Xycrete Concrete Waterproofing specialise in concrete repair, protection and waterproofing. Established since 1999, Xycrete provides innovative, technologically advanced solutions and a quality service that is second to none. To find out more about Xycrete's non-intrusive methods of cost-effective waterproofing, please contact Xycrete on 07 5535 8015.